This is a occurrence you don't see every day. September the 13th. Sorry about the raspy voice, ragweed's killing me. But here's the weird thing. This was a double 3-frame mating newt. 10 minutes ago. 10 minutes ago. One side had a queen, one side did not. The side that had the queen, she went into this box to replace this queen, poorly mated queen. I took the 3-frame mating newt, double 3-frame mating newt box, took it apart. I took the 5 best frames, they're mediums, and put them in that box with the virgin queen from the other side. While I'm going through this hive, this swarm comes up and over and starts landing here. Don't have a clue where it came from. None of the bee hives in this yard were showing any signs of wanting to swarm. Maybe somebody coming back to me, you never know. But I can actually say this is going to be the first time I've ever seen a swarm go into a hive that I was just in, if that's where they go. They're all sitting up here. See if we can find a queen up here and not get stung. Because, as you well know, I do not see a queen. Might help if I had a queen cage. That would help a lot, wouldn't it? I'm gonna pause the video and go grab a queen cage. Didn't have to go very far, just right here in my top bar. Try to keep a queen cage in every feeder possibly can. I think I'm going to give these girls a little more help deciding where they're going to land. I'm just going to lay this piece of comb right here. See if we can get them to light on it. What I have found in my catching swarms when they're in the air is the bees light, and you'll have 100 or 200, 300 bees light on something, and then the queen will follow. Just in my observations of doing this. And I'd say she's probably right there, because there's a ball of bees. I would say she is right down there. Anyway, as I was saying, in my observation of watching swarms light on frames, as you can go back to the other YouTube videos and see, when I catch them in the air, there'll be 200-300 bees on the frame where they've decided to light and cluster. Then the queen will show up. I'm willing to bet money that she's right. I just saw her. Right. Come here, girl. Right there she is. Ladies and gentlemen, there is the queen. Let's pause the video and put her in a cage. Now that we have Mama securely in the cage, once they find her and start fanning, it's all over but the hooing and hollering. I'm gonna look through this little ball down here and make sure there's not another queen. That one was a mated queen. So I don't get bees up my shorts. Trying to go up my shorts. Probably gonna end up getting stung because everybody else is out front posturing because, well, we got a swarm. Oh well. That's it, another swarm catch. Like I said, September the 13th. We'll put these ladies in a 2-frame mating nuke and feed the crap out of them.